Good morning, welcome back. We are going to continue working on drawing 5.3 in our CAD program. We already did the front view here, and we're going to work on the right-hand side view. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here, and so I'm going to start in the construction layer. And all I'm going to do first is to offset this line here to the right and this one up 1.5 inches. So I'm going to offset 1.5, enter, and we go from here to the right and here to the up. Right click, enter, and then I'm going to draw a line at 45 degrees. I'm just going to draw a line longer than what we need. Tab 45, enter. And then any of our vertical lines that intersect this line here will make horizontal lines, so our top view and our side view and our front view all line up. All right, let's start working on the side view. So we're going to start by offsetting. So I'm going to go to offset, and the first line we want to do, why don't we do the overall width? So it is 1.5 inches wide. You can see there I already have that, so I'm going to right click, enter to tell it I like the 1.5, and offset that, repeat offset. Then I'm going to offset this line back 1 inch. No, right click, repeat offset 1, enter. Then I'm going to right click or left click on this one and click to the left. And then I'm going to repeat offset again. I'm going to offset 0.75. That'll give us the center of our circle down here. Right click, enter. And why don't we go to our object line? I'm going to draw some of these lines in here. I'm going to go to circle. And if I follow this over to here, this is the circle, the hole going through, and then I'm going to click on line, and I'll follow this one over to here. Go across there, down to there, over there, and up to there, enter, and then we have to offset that line to do another one over there. I'm going to draw a line all the way across there. So I'm going to repeat line, across there, and then run the whole height there. And then let's do the height here. Okay. We are getting there, aren't we? All right, let's go ahead and go back to, you know what, let's go to our hidden layer. I'm going to draw some hidden lines for this hole we have here. So we're going to go line, and I'm going to follow this one across. I'm going to go from here to here. I click enter, repeat line, and I'm going to come across from here to here. So that gives us our hidden lines there. And then while we're at it, why don't we do our center line, and then we'll do center line here. I'm going to go to the center layer, and I'm going to click on center mark. Click on this circle here. And I'm going to, no, I don't want to repeat that. With center line, I want to offset this one out and this one out so we can have our center line extend past our object. So I'm going to offset 0.125, enter. Offset this line to the left, this one to the right. And we're going to click on line, and right here is the center. There, right click, enter. I'm going to change the center line from center, the line weight. Let's go ahead and go to load, and I'm going to make it to where, let's go to center 2. Okay. and center 2 and OK. So now it actually fits our drawing a little bit better, so I like that. And then let's go ahead and offset. I'm going to offset 1.2 or 0.125. Enter. I'm going to click on this one and this one. Bring you out to there. Bring you down to there. You over to here. And here. And escape. Click on that line and delete. So we have hidden lines. We need to offset this over so we can get our line from this line coming all the way down to here. And then that might be it. So let's go ahead and go back to our construction layer. Go to offset and offset 0.5, enter. Set this line to the left. We're going to go to line and this line right here. I want to go from this intersection all the way up to where our line intersects up there. So I'm going to follow that one over to there. Actually, I'm in the wrong layer. Back up once. I want to be in the object layer. So let's click on line. Click on this intersection, and I'm going to come up to here. Click enter. And turn off the construction layer to see if we have everything. Oh, missing that part right there, aren't we? So there's a hole going through there. We have hidden line, center, line there. Okay, so I just need to extend that line over there and then we're okay. I'm going to go to extend you to there. And that is it for the right-hand side view. I'm going to come back for the next video and we're going to do the top view and then we'll be finished up with drawing 5.3. Thanks for stopping by.